everyone, are you searching for spacious and well-connected 1 BHK rental flat in Mahadevapura, Bangalore? Well, this could be your perfect home. Stay with me at the end. I take you on the exclusive tour of this beautiful flat. So, don't miss it. Come, let's go! In this beautiful flat offering the amazing ambience like 24 by 7 security, 24 by 7 water supply, 24 by 7 power backup and 24 by 7 lift facility, parking for both 2-wheeler and 4-wheeler. This is your beautiful flat. It's very spacious, modern and well connected. Just look at the space. Plus, you have private balcony offering the beautiful city view. This is your beautiful kitchen. Comes with big storage space, a sink counter and a plenty of ventilation. And this flat very close to Bagmani Tech Park, VO Mall, Phoenix Mall, Single Panda Metro Station, Kiaprum Railway Station, and Move Hypermarket, schools and colleges. And this is a beautiful private balcony. It's just offering the relaxation and just perfect for your morning coffee or evening relaxations. So don't miss it. And this is your spacious living space. Just look at the space. And this home comes with a well ventilated bedrooms offering the big space, built-in your wardrobes and larger windows for the refreshing atmosphere. And this flat you have well maintained bathroom with your modern fitting geyser and cleanly designed. Just look at the view. Overall flat is very well maintained, so you don't worry about it. Okay guys, now let's talk about the most important part, pricing. This beautiful 1 BHK rental flat is available for rent at just 25,000 plus 2k maintenance per month with a deposit of 1 lakh rupees. If anyone interested in this flat, just contact this number or WhatsApp this number. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to J Rental Properties for more property updates. Okay guys, see you again next video. Tata, bye.